guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Dorchelle if you are new. If you're returning, welcome back to another video. Definitely consider subscribing if you are not already subscribed. A lot of people watched my part 1 video of my couch review and didn't subscribe. So definitely come and join the fam, come and join the gang if you are new here to my channel. I do a lot of travel vlogs, weekly vlogs, and a lot of home decor stuff, all things lifestyle. So definitely consider subscribing if you are not already subscribed. But without further ado, today, as you guys can tell from the title, I am doing finally long awaited my 6-month review from my Valyou furniture sectional. It's been a minute, but I finally was able to sit down and record the video for you all. So sorry guys for the delay. It's been busy, but I have the video out for you guys now. So I am going to be doing a 6-month update to my couch, and I'll be telling you guys how I'm liking it and all the things and all the updates. So yeah, I've had this couch for 6 months, and so far I can say I still really love this couch. It is so comfortable. It's just a beautiful couch. So I still very much love the style. I feel like it's very classic. 6 months later, I still really like it. I do think I probably would have went for a more modular couch now, thinking of it in hindsight. Maybe something a little bit more square and less rounded on the edges, but that's like aesthetic wise. But either way, I still really love it. Like I said, it's a very classic couch. There's like nothing you can't love about it. I think I will love this couch years and years to come. I just think it would look a little bit more modern if it was more like a modular square shaped couch, but or like rectangular sharp angles. But like I said, I still really love this couch. So that's a good sign, is that I do like it to this day. But I was seeing a lot of comments about the shipping on this couch, and I did not touch on shipping in my first video, so I want to address that now. I got my couch in a couple of weeks. Less than a month, I received my couch from when I ordered it. I believe ever since, I'm gonna say because of my video, I haven't seen a lot of couch reviews on this particular couch, but I feel like there's a lot of high volume, which is why Valyou should have sponsored your girl. But I feel like a lot of volume was coming in after my review, and probably a lot of people went out to buy the couch. Probably not just because of me, but just in general, people were probably looking for couches, and I feel like it was a lot of volume. So people had different shipping experiences. I actually had one of my friends ordered this couch, and she ended up canceling her order because it just kept getting delayed. They kept saying it was gonna come on this day. It didn't come on the day, and it was just getting delayed. And that was like a few months after I placed my order. So either they're backed up or I don't know what, but I feel as if they need to just be transparent, and that's what I feel like a lot of you guys were saying in my last video. They just weren't being transparent about the shipping date and when it was coming. So that was not my experience when I ordered this couch. Got it in a couple of weeks. The day they said they were gonna deliver my couch, it actually came on that day. So I feel like there's been a lot of issues with the shipping now. So I can't vouch for the shipping that they have in place now based on what my friend had to cancel her order. So just definitely keep that in mind. If you need your couch on a certain day, which you probably really do need it quickly, anticipate that you might be having to deal with delays. And I don't know why the company isn't being transparent about when exactly you're gonna receive your couch. A lot of people said they've been waiting months until they've gotten their couch. So that's just something to just keep in mind before placing this order if you're still interested in this couch. But I really do like this couch. I have a bit of pros and now cons that I've had it for quite a while. Pro I will say is that, like I said, it's still very beautiful. It's still very classic. To this day, I still really like this couch. I actually slept on this couch for probably a week. My brother came to visit, and I decided to sleep on the couch while he was over, and I had no back pain. I was sleeping fine for a week. So this couch is definitely sleepable. For me, at least, it was very comfortable. I lounge on this couch all the time. I sleep on this couch all the time, and I have no complaints. I've slept on couches where my back was aching a few minutes after me laying on it. This couch is super comfortable, and like I said, when you remove the back pillows, it's deep. So it's like a mini bed, and I slept just perfectly fine. So that's Definitely a pro is that it is a very comfortable couch, super comfy. You can sleep in it. If you have guests over, your guests can sleep on it. It's great. I love it for that. Also, I did inspect the couch. A lot of you guys were saying, tell us when you're gonna put the legs underneath, show us what legs you use, all that stuff. I've been busy, guys, so I haven't actually put legs underneath my couch to lift it, but I will insert some footage here because I do know what legs I am getting, and by the time I post this, I should have already put them underneath my couch. So I will hopefully be able to put that footage in here and show you guys how I put the legs underneath my couch. But I did see a few options on Amazon that I feel like could work. So I'm gonna link those options below if you guys are interested, if you guys want different looks. So I'm gonna try my way and you guys will find out if it works or not. If I don't have it in this video, it'll definitely be in an upcoming vlog very soon because I already know what legs I'm getting, so I'm gonna actually do it this time. But I feel like there is definitely a few options that I can use for legs underneath my couch. So I'm gonna link below the ones that I've seen, and then hopefully that footage will be in this video so you guys can see how I put the legs on. But that's one thing I really didn't love about this couch, is that it is very low sitting. But having it for 6 months now, it doesn't really bother me. I just think aesthetically it would look nicer if it was raised. So that's that. So guys, this is how the legs look like. They come in a pack of 4 on Amazon, and they're 4 inches tall, but they also have, I believe, 6 and 10 inches as well, or something along the lines. But I got the shortest size, which was 4 inches, because I didn't want my couch to be that high. And then it also comes with a bag of screws and bolts and stuff like that, I believe, to kind of like screw it into like a flat base.
So I decided to switch out my legs for the 6-inch. I think the 4-inch was too small for me. It didn't make that much of a difference. So I returned the 4-inch and I got a 6-inch leg off Amazon. So I'll link that below for you guys. So here, as you can see, I'm removing the screws from the base of the couch. So basically, it came with these blocks on the bottom of the couch, so I'm unscrewing it with a screwdriver. I tried to unscrew it with a drill and it just didn't work, so I'm using a screwdriver just to take off the bottom base. And here I just like unscrew it this way. This was just like the easiest way for me to remove the block from the bottom of the couch. And after that, so this is the screwdriver I'm using. That's how it looks like. And then I'm taking my drill, and this time I am drilling the little base to the bottom of my couch, and I'm drilling where the outer part of the nail is. So the old nail that was there, the outer one, that's where I'm drilling in this new screw or like base that I got from my legs. This comes with the legs on Amazon, so you don't have to purchase it. However, the nails that it comes with are basura. Do not use these nails because your couch will collapse because the nails are just too tiny. They're baby nails. So I'm going to link below the nails that I got, or probably put a little cutaway of the nails that I got from Home Depot. These nails are better to use. They're more sturdy and they're longer. Do not use the nails that come with the screws that come with the leg set. Your couch will collapse. Use the screws from Home Depot or a similar screw. I think I got like 10 by 2 or something like so. I'll show you guys cutaway of the screws I end up getting. Those are more sturdy. So after I screw that in, I just twist in the leg, and literally that is it. And everywhere there's a block, I'm putting the leg. So I'm taking off all the blocks and replacing the block with the new leg that comes that I got from Amazon. And that's literally it. This was pretty simple. It does take some time to do, but once you get the hang of it, it is actually very, very simple to do. You remove the block, you add that little base part, you screw it in with the nails. With the screws from Home Depot, not the screws that I came with like you see me doing. Do not do that. Your couch will collapse. Just telling you guys again, just to reiterate that. And then I just drill it in. That makes it so much easier. And if you follow these steps, it is literally that simple. These legs are so easy to assemble. It's just that they come with baby screws, and those are not going to do anything for you. So that's where I messed up on this, but it was like a trial and error. So now you guys learn from our mistakes. Definitely use some longer screws and thicker if you can. That way your couch won't collapse like mine did.
Overall, I would try this at your own risk. This worked for the chase part of my couch, but not the longer part of my couch. So try it at your own risk. Maybe it'll work for you, maybe not. But this is just something I tried and didn't really work for me as well because the wood already broke, but try it at your own risk. It does slide and move around a lot. I will say it's a very light couch, but the pro of that is if you plan on moving or if you want to like rearrange your living area or even sweep and vacuum underneath the couch, it is so easy to move around this couch. It is very, very lightweight. So I think it's a pro more than a con, but it does tend to slide every now and then. It can move very easily, and that can be a little annoying, but when you need to get like easy access underneath the couch, you don't need two people to move the couch, which is great. So some of the cons I faced with this couch is, for one, as you guys know, this whole couch is removable. You can remove every single piece off this couch, including the pillows. So I was actually able to like switch out my pillow covers and everything because everything is removable essentially. But I realized that when I went to go clean out my couch, well, for one, when you remove all the covers, you will get a ton of feathers. Like, I mean, feathers everywhere. Now, when I went to remove some covers again, I seen there was less feathers, but for that first initial removal, there will be feathers everywhere. So I would recommend not to remove all your covers at once, which you would want to wash everything at once, right? But I wouldn't recommend it because, for one, you will have feathers everywhere. And two, it is actually a workout to put on and off these covers. Like, it might look like, oh, okay, just zip it off and it's super easy. It's easier than maybe another way of doing it, but it is definitely a workout taking off all these covers. So if you're working this couch by yourself, it's gonna take a while to take off the covers and put them on. So just wanna bear that in mind, and then you will get feathers everywhere. But for my main con of washing this, I've realized that there's this weird texture. Let me grab the like a pillowcase so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is what I mean. Obviously this is wrinkled, so ignore the wrinkles, but if you guys can see, and I'll try to do like some close-up footage, there's this weird texture, like this bubbling effect that's happening on this pillowcase, as you guys can see. I've noticed that with all the pieces that I've washed, it has this weird bubbling texture, and it changes the texture of the couch. And I feel like, for as pricey this couch is, and for the main selling point that I can take off my couch, there's no reason why, like, you guys see that? There's no reason why the texture should change. Like, it's a washable couch. So I felt like maybe my settings were wrong on my washer or my dryer. So I did, like, you know, wrinkle control and all that stuff, and I still saw it's not this bad. Like, this is as bad as it gets, but I did rewash one of the cushions, and I didn't see it as much. So I will say, just be careful with what settings you use to wash. Maybe try air drying it, but I just feel like this should not be an issue. And I did try air drying it. I did try changing up my settings, but I still feel like it does change up the texture, and for me, that's unacceptable. I feel like the texture should not change because I put it in the wash, which is what you guys said I could do, which was put it in the wash. So I was really, really disappointed to see that. I've also got a few stains on this couch, dropping wine. Like, it's a white couch, so it's prone to get stained. Like, let's be honest. It's a white couch. It's a beige couch. Like, it's light colored. It's gonna tend to happen. But like I said, a main selling point with this couch was being able to wash it. And I've realized that even when I do wash it, I can still like faintly see some of the stains. It's not super visible. It's not something that's driving me crazy, but I wanted to call that out, that the stains, you might need to like do some hand washing or put it on like a high setting to get the stain out. But I don't know how that's gonna affect the actual texture of the couch. So I don't know. I just feel like they needed to use basically a better fabric for this couch so that it can stand the washing machine and be durable, but also remove the stains. Like, that's the point of having a removable couch, so you could wash it. So washing it should not be as big of an issue and a deal as it has been for me. That's all I'm saying. Is like, I feel like they just should have used a better fabric that could like test the stand of your washing machine. So that's really a con for me about this couch. It's just like the washing experience hasn't been the best for me, and there's feathers everywhere. And I don't know if that's for all down couch. This is a down-filled couch. Maybe that's normal. If you have a down-filled couch, you're gonna expect feathers. Even sometimes when I'm sitting, some feathers poke out, and like that's really annoying. But like I said, I don't know if that's a Valyou furniture couch issue or if that's just a down couch issue. You know what I'm saying? So let me know, guys, in the comment below. Help each other out. If you guys owned a down couch, is that expected? Because if so, you know, I guess it's not a con, it's just what to be expected. But yeah, I mean, other than that, I have no regrets. I still really love this couch. I think it is super comfortable. It's a very easy couch. It's a really nice first couch. Like, you have your first apartment, you're just moving in somewhere. It's just an easy couch. It's so lightweight. If you want to sell it, you probably can sell it because it's washable. I just feel like it's a easy first couch to have. I did get this couch thinking like I would have this couch forever and take it home to home. But it is a little smaller. Now that I look at it, it's a little bit smaller. So I don't know if it's somewhere I would take like to my forever home. But it's a beautiful couch. It's so simple. I feel like it's so classic. And it's just like a nice, I think, starter couch. I feel like there's a lot of options on the market in general for like cloud couch dupes and like beige color couches. So I would just do my research. You probably can find it at a more affordable price. Even when my friend ordered her couch, I think she was able to get it cheaper than I paid for it because she had like some type of discount code. Also, if you guys are planning on getting this couch, I will leave my referral code in the description box so you guys can get some money off. She got some money off using it, and I'm sure there's a lot of discount codes, so but there might be other options out there. I would just say do your research. But do I regret getting this couch? I don't. Like, there's issues about it. There's cons for me. It's not the perfect couch. There's, like I said, probably a lot of better options out there, but I have no regrets. I still really love this couch. I love the style of the couch. I love that I can clean it, even though I've had a little issues with the textures changing, which is the main point that really bothers me. But all in all, I think it's a beautiful couch. I actually switched out my pillow covers, like I told you guys, to black, and it just looks so nice and sleek and elegant, and I just love it in my living space. It works for me. I'm happy I purchased it, but I would just definitely say do your research. You probably can find a just as gorgeous couch, maybe even more gorgeous, for probably less the price. You probably could find a couch like just as great as this one or even better. So that was just my 6-month review. All in all, would I recommend this couch? I say why not? I still really like the couch. There's nothing about it that I'm like, I wish I didn't get this couch. I should have got something better. But I kind of wish I knew some of the things that I've experienced not having it. It could have probably changed my mind, but I don't have any regrets. And just like about the shipping issues, I didn't have that experience, but I know a lot of people have. So just keep that in mind. If you want your couch ASAP and pronto, you may not get it in the time frame that you're looking for. It'll probably be better if you're doing something of a long term, like I don't need it now. But just to keep that in mind, a lot of people have been having issues with the shipping. That wasn't my experience, but yeah, that's what people were just saying mainly in the comments, is that they've been having shipping issues, and then just transparency of when it's going to ship. So just keep that in mind and bear that in mind. But all in all, guys, I still really love my couch 6 months later. I think it's a beautiful couch, really nice beginner couch. I love it so much, still to this day. But if you guys have any comments or questions, just please leave that below. Help each other out. A lot of people were commenting on my last video wanting to know updates. So if you guys have any updates or issues that you've been facing, definitely leave that below in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching this couch review. Let me know your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe, because a lot of you guys are not subscribed. So please do not forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful. Leave a comment in the comment section below. And I can't wait to see you guys in my next one. Bye.